in today's video we're going to be doing a hook roundabout from all the different directions, showing you the lane markings, what position you should be in for the roundabout. The first one that I'm going to do is straight ahead, second exit. Now from this side it's a little bit tricky because to go straight ahead, second exit, we're going to be using the right hand lane, because there's a sign on the left that says left lane only for left and straight ahead for the right hand lane. So from this direction it's a closed junction. I can't see whether I can go until the last second, so it's going to be first gear. Giving way to the right, I need to make sure I could run across both lanes of the roundabout. So I have time now to run and stay in the right hand lane, and I'm past the first exit, left mirror, left signal, move off to the left and no one at the zebra crossing. And now this bit's 50, it's clear, it's straight. I want to get to 50 as soon as possible because you'll be joining a 50 road on your test when you come down here. So I can see it's 2 lanes at the moment because I can see the centre lines, but they disappear. So middle mirror, signal right, and it's safe for me to join. I'm going to be going straight ahead, second exit at the roundabout. Now this side's quite difficult because it's 3 lanes. Left to go left, straight ahead to go straight ahead will be the middle lane, and the right hand lane will be to go right. So that's the easy part, but lots of people fail their driving test on this bit. When you go at the roundabout you need to make sure you stay in your lane. It tries to pull you out into the wrong lane. You have to fight against it and make sure that you're staying in your lane. So I'm going straight ahead, second exit, I'm in my middle lane. I'm in second gear, I'm giving way to the right, it's all clear, but stay in your lane. It's this bit where people fail. Stay in your lane, left mirror and left signal to leave the roundabout. And no one coming off on the right. I'm going to be going right third exit, following the signs of Staines, Esher and Hinchley Wood. I would say this is the most common way for the driving test. A lot of the tests that I've sat in the back of, it's always right third exit 90% of the time. Alright, so it's a 20 road and we've got broken lines. I'm checking my right mirror, and we want to use the broken lines if it's safe to do so when we're going right third exit, because it gets us in lane nice and early. Middle mirror, right mirror, signalling right. It's a closed junction. I don't want to block up the petrol station, and I'm giving way to the right. I need to make sure both lanes that I could run across. And I could go now because the bus is going straight ahead. I can use him as a blocker. My right signal's on. I'm checking my left mirror, left signal, and it's 50 miles per hour. No one at the zebra crossing. I want to get my speed up to 50 if it's safe to do so, because I'll be joining a 50 road. Okay, so this from this direction is the most common that you'll be finishing your driving test this way. So I'm going to be following the signs to Kingston. So it's 2 lanes at the moment. We've got a green sign coming up. It tells us that we can go left and straight ahead in the left lane, and we can go straight ahead and right in the right hand lane. So middle mirror, signal left. It's a closed junction. I can't really see if I can go, so clutch is down, first gear, rolling past the crossing, giving way to the right. I need to make sure both lanes are clear, Can I run across both lanes? I can do now. Left mirror, left signal to leave the roundabout. I'm going to be going straight ahead, second exit. If I was going left, it'd be Central London, A3 Sutton. If I was going right, it would be Staines and Esher. We're allowed to use the bus stop. I've checked my left mirror and I'm holding my position to the left. I don't need to signal left on the approach because I'm going straight ahead, second exit. I'm giving way to the right. I'm in first gear because these cars are making it a closed junction. I can't see whether I can go, and I can run across both lanes, stand in my left lane, past the first exit. So left mirror, left signal to leave the roundabout.